Alright, so this video is all about creating KDP account without payment method and how you can remove tax. Yes, I said in one of my videos that I'll be making videos on how to do this. Some people have asked me, is it possible to create a KDP account without adding payment method? So I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide. So I want you to stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'll tell you something very, very important. Maybe getting a Canva Pro account so that you can run with it and get a better book cover design. All right, so there are some rules you have to think of. The first rule is this: you can use different device. But about device, let me start from here. You can use same device and same name. Yes, some people used to ask me, what should I do? Should I use the same device? Should I format my phone? When you're creating an Amazon account.com, there is no need to scare it, because you can use the same name. A lot of people have the same name, so why panic? Some have formatted their names, some have talked about changing hotspot. I was just laughing. That is a very bad advice. Well, you can check my channel. Yes, on my YouTube channel, I talked about how to create multiple accounts so that we don't spend too much time. Please go there and watch everything I talked about when it comes to multiple accounts on Amazon KDP. Though Amazon don't like that, but still, what are we going to do? You can use same device and same name. Then another thing here is you can use a different browser. For example, you can check Google Play Store. You can search for Orion browser, Brave browser, DuckDuckGo. You can search for Yandex. You can search for Kiwi, Mozilla. All these are very beautiful browser you can use. Then let's say we're in a new browser and I want to start with creation of account. Having said all this, this is the most important thing. You can't use same payment information. But this video is not about same payment information. I'm just trying to tell you, if you're running a multiple account, you can't use, let's say you're using Gray or GeekPay, you cannot use Gray dollar on one KDP account and use Gray pounds on another KDP account. You are putting yourself to test. Amazon is going to come for you and terminate your account. Well, go to my channel and search for multiple accounts among my videos and watch that for your own sake. So first of all, there are two questions people ask: Amazon.com or kdp.amazon.com. Well, any of these two is good, but for the sake of this video, we all will be moving straight to create a fresh account. So we're going to come here and just click on kdp.amazon.com. That is what I advise. Or you can still come with and type amazon.com. Any of these you want to use. Let's say we are using kdp.amazon.com. Is going to ask us this question, which remains this. We're going to see something. So let me just come in and make this smaller. Okay, I already have my account here. Let me just try a new window. I'm going to click a new private window. Yes, I'm going to write kdp.amazon.com. Let's see what we get. If it's going to bring a fresh browser or it's still taking me in there, which I think I have to sign out. But still, let's just better still, just come down here, look for a different browser. So let's come here and type Mozilla. Because I'm doing it from my PC, so I'm going to be using Firefox. Then when my Firefox is open, I'm going to search for a new incognito browser or private. The same thing on system is private, then on your phone it can be incognito. So just let's go with that. Let's just come here with kdp.amazon.com. Let's see what comes up. All right, we still have that, but we'll not be wasting more time since it's taking too much time. Let's just sign out from this, my account. Let's be on the same page. All right, now you're taking us. This is the first thing you see. If you're using a small phone, you should see one way, just navigate through. You're going to see sign in down here or join KDP. So we're going to join. We're not signing in because this is our first time. So let's click on join KDP. Not mind your country, whether you're in Ghana, you can come here and use any names of your choice because you can change it anytime of the day. So what do we start with? What's your first name? Let's say you want to use any random name. You can use Alex. You can use Alex Joy. It's there at the mail. Ensure you have a good mail you can use. So from here, I'm going to put in my mail and put my password. Then I'll create my KDP account immediately. All right, so I just have any of this mail. You can put any mail you feel like, but over here now you can see you put your password. The rule is ensure it's 6 character. It can be number, it can just be alphabet or true, but ensure it's up to 6. So we're going to click on create. If you've already used this mail, we will continue from here. But if you've not used the mail, it's going to move on to the next phase, which we are into. So in case you've used your mail and they said this account is already registered, just change your mail and you're good to go. So what we're going to do is patiently wait for this to come up. It's trying to load up a puzzle, a test, so that we can pass through. It's not going to take much time and it's up. Sometimes we just have to reload our dashboard till we get what we want. This doesn't take time at all. So I've been waiting for this to load, but it seems sometimes we just have to change browser, or we can try other part of Amazon, which is called Amazon.com. I'm going to come here and just click on sign in. Then it's a new customer, so we're going to write new to Amazon, create your Amazon account. Let's see if this can even. So we used Alex Joy here, and over here we use a different mail, something like this. We did something like this, and we used 001 or something like 001. We did at gmail.com. Ensure you have access to your mail. This is very important you do that, because if you don't have access to it, no problem. But no, you can change your mail anytime. You can change anything on Amazon, even your phone number and your password. So I'm going to click on verify. Let's see if it's going to take us to a different page. Still on same thing, we're still facing this difficulty. Sometimes this can be very crazy. So what I want to do now is get out of this and try to use Google Chrome itself and see what comes up. Yes, so better still, let me come here now and let me find a different one entirely. So this is what we have. I'm going to come here and type Amazon.com and see what comes up. So let's click on Amazon.com. When it loads, we're moving on to the next phase of this, and we're good to go. All right, so now let's come here now and type. Then I want to log out from here. Yes, let me just log out from here. Down there, we can go down, and see if we have log out, or I might have even passed it. You can see down here we have sign out. So I'm going to click here. You can see sign out. Okay, that is sign out. Now we're going to sign out from here, and we move on to the next phase of this, which is creating a new account. This is not valid any longer. It's not working. The account is gone. So let's come here now and put that again. First name. Let's see if it persists. Then we just have to wait for it to load, and we are good to go. So let's just put that same thing. Yeah, all these are technical issues that we can solve without even thinking twice. Yes, so we're going to put in technical issues. Then at the end, I will tell you how to turn two-step verification, because it's good to protect this, but when you start making money on this. All right, now we have that. Look at this is even better. You see, that is what makes testing. So we're going to go straight to our mail and get the OTP. Yes, it's called one-time password, and you can put it in here. So check your mail, refresh, check your spam. You're going to see it. If you are not seeing it, refresh again, and you're going to have that immediately. All right. OTP does not stay more than 5 minutes. Does not stay more than some seconds, some 20 seconds. You can't use it some minute anyway. So I'm going to create this because I've seen it. Then we'll move on to the next phase if it permits also. Now you see we have this ready. That is how easy. Sometimes it's going to tell you to enter your phone number. Yes, at that place, find a phone number, MTN if you're in Nigeria, Glow if you're in Nigeria, Etisalat if you're in Nigeria, or you're using something like Airtel if you're in Nigeria, or if you're in Ghana, use your Ghana number. Then you will send you the code, put the code, and you're good to go. So next you want to do is just come here. You can turn two-step verification if you want, but if you don't want, let's just log in to our KDP site with this, because one account on Amazon, you can use it on your KDP. So they're going to come straight to this place, to this same place giving us issues. We're going to come here and write that thing that we want. Let's see what we have here. We stopped many things from here. Okay, so solve this puzzle. We are waiting for this before. Let's just go one step back. Let's just go. This is the place. Now we're going to come here now and just click on sign in. What did I do? It's very simple. Just type kdp.amazon.com. It's going to open up, and I don't know why it's taking this. I believe this is a network glitch. Let's just click on sign in. Then instead, since we already have an account, we're going to put in what we want, and we are good to go. So yes. So let's come here now and put that same. We used this before. So I'm going to put 001 at gmail.com. Then we're going to come straight to the password. You're going to put any random password that you want. And trust me, I'm going to turn on two-step verification on this without wasting more time. So over here, we're going to click on sign in. Then it's going to ask anything they ask. We're going to sort this out, and we are good to go. It's asking me for an agreement. If it asks you for two-step verification, turn it on. Yes, it's very simple. If you don't know how to do two-step verification, check my channel. The first video I made last year, I showed how you can turn on two-step verification, or send me a message on WhatsApp and I will reply you immediately. Yes, it's so simple. Or better still, when I talked about my channel, in case you don't know what I do on my channel, I have at least 162 videos talking a few 90% talking about Amazon KDP. you can just go there, search for how to create KDP account. I think I've done something like that, how to create KDP account, so that I can show you something how to create KDP account. So I'm going to click on sign in and it's going to open. I want to show you particular stuff that really I started this journey of Amazon. These particular videos 11 months ago, you can watch it. Yes, you are not receiving OTP way back. You can settle your two-step verification with this video and you're good to go. Just pass through or chat me up and I'll give you the best of advice I can render. So from here, we're going to come here straight and agree this. Then we'll just click on agree. The next thing we'll move on, we already have our account set up. But the next thing now is we have to update this, because if you click on create, you shouldn't be able to create anything. It should tell you, please finish. Yes, when I mean finish, if you click on publish, it's going to tell you account is not complete. Set it up. So we're not going to be wasting more time because they are going to request. So you can go straight to your account or click on update now. So we're going to click on update now and we move on to the next phase. Some people tell me I'm trying to load my dashboard. I'm trying to fix up my tax. It's not working. Now you can see what I was telling you about. So now we're going to start with our code number. So pick your country code from here. Yes, so I'm going to pick Nigeria because this video, I'm doing that from Nigeria without wasting much time. Then I'm going to put here and put a random number. So what I'm going to do is to put on any number of my choice. You can use any virtual number, a virtual number you want, and you are good. Anything you want, you can put that there. But better still, let me just pick a number that is not in existence for the sake of this video and just throw it away because I don't think it's very important. All right, anyway, so I'm going to put any of this number, which then I'm going to click on send OTP. You can't use one same number on Amazon. They're going to tell you it's already registered. Then just patiently wait and it will be sent to this number. Then if you make mistake, you can click here and change the number immediately. It doesn't take time at all. If you experience any problem, please just take time and sort this out. Better still, go to my channel. I always tell you, go to my channel. At the top section of this, my channel, you can see something very great. My link to my WhatsApp, direct WhatsApp, and you can send me a message and I will sort it out for you as well. So we're not going to waste more time. I'm going to click on resend OTP. If it does not work, I'm going to change phone number. Then we can move on. You can see message and data rate apply. Let's just click on cancel. But one way to sort this out is so simple. I'm going to turn on my two-step verification without wasting more time. Yes, for you to do that, you have to remember when we created this account. From here, we can still come here to the Amazon.com, not this itself, trying to find something unique. All right, this Alex, we can come here, go to your Amazon, put your phone on desktop site, come straight to your account. Click on your account. It's going to take you straight to login and security. Find it in a way you have login and security. Over here, you're going to put anything you want to put, two-step verification. Find it and turn it on. So let's turn it on. It's going to ask us, how do you want phone number or authenticator app? I use my authenticator app. All I have to do is go straight to Google, download Google Authenticator. Then they are going to tell you to sign up with your mail. When you sign up with your mail, you will see the plus sign. Just click on plus sign. They'll tell you to put account, the name, just write KDP. Then they'll tell you to copy some code. So that's what I'll be doing. But if you have your phone number, you can start from the phone number. But let's try the phone number. If it does not work, then there is no need fighting. So let's just try the phone number. Let's just put Nigeria. Then we're going to come here and put that immediately. So let me put the phone number I will be using immediately. So I tried to put a phone number and I'm having difficulty. They're trying to tell me internal error. In case yours work, no problem. In case you receive OTP, good. You are good to go. But for the sake of this, I'm going to be using Authenticator app. Yes, if you're doing with your PC, they're going to tell you to scan. Just go straight to your authenticator if you're using your laptop. But I know majority of us will be using our phone. So I will not be scanning this. I'm going to click on can't scan. They're going to tell you to copy this code. So just copy this and go to your authenticator. You're going to see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign. You see scan a QR code. Don't click on that. Click on enter security key. Yes, when you click on enter security key, you will see account name. And the account name is just for a name to remember what you're doing. You can just call it my KDP account. Then your key, what you copy, paste it. You're going to see type of key, time-based or counter-based. Use time-based and add. But me, I'm going to be using scan a code because I already have that. So we're going to click on scan a code. I'm going to click on scan. That's going to scan immediately, and it has been added immediately at the end of your. So check the last part of it. Then over it, you can see the name. The name you will see is your mail, the mail you use in opening it if you scan. So then it's going to ask you for OTP. Then we're going to copy that code that it generates. It expires every 20 seconds. So we're going to use that 062. Then we're going to click on verify OTP, and we should be good to go. All right, now you can see from here we have that. You're going to move down. You can see don't require OTP for this. We're going to click got it. Turn on two-step verification. You can see from here we've done that. Now we can move straight back. We can go back to our Amazon platform where we just left. We're going to go back there and see. I think this is the place. Try to find the last place we stopped. Whether it's this place. No, not the site, not the site. Let me see if it's this place. All right, this is where we can see here. If we reload this should not be there. Just reload this and it's going to change everything. You can see from here, send OTP, two-step verification. We're not going to be using phone number to receive this. Let's just cancel it and see what happened. So I'm going to cancel this phase. This is just you can see we have generated by Authenticator app. Because we set that up on Amazon, we can now generate. So go back to your Authenticator app. You already have the code. I'm going to use the code immediately. I'm going to say 487316. That is it. This one does not take time. It has expired. It expired very fast. So use it very fast. And now it's going to take us straight to setting up our dashboard. Remember, this video is setting up without tax. With your tax. So from here, you have your legal name. From here, ensure your legal name. It's cool. So I'm going to use legal name. Remember what we used. I'm going to use any name here, which we can change anytime. I'm going to use Joy Alex. From here, it's going to tell us to enter what? A new address. So we're going to come here and put in the new address. The new address, you're going to use your country. Don't use a different country address. What you're doing, if you're using Lagos, you can use Lagos. You can use Lagos all through. You can use Lagos. Then at the province, you can just use Lagos. Or you can find something, just say Lagos, 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 and we're good to go. Let's move down to the end. Postal code for Lagos. You can come here and search on the right. Postal code for Lagos. So just come here and say postal code for Lagos. Then you click on enter. Then over here, you can see we have these. You can just copy anyone. 10001. We have 100001. So come here, write 100001. Then use this address. If it's cool, then it's added. Then phone number is very important. That's why you can see the asterisk sign all over that place. So move down to the phone number aspect and just find any phone number of your choice and put there. Ensure you've not used this phone number because Amazon is very, very strict when it comes to phone number. But mind you, you can change this any time of the day. What did I say? You can change this any time of the day. So I'm going to come here and just use any phone number that's random. So let me use one phone number from here that I have on my phone. So I'm going to put 090. I'm going to use 76. I'm going to put 56. I'm going to use 36. I'm going to use 76. So over here now I'm going to move down, getting paid. We're good to go. So where is your bank? Right. I don't have a bank. This is very important. If you just create a KDP account, you're not sure if the book will go live because Amazon is blocking books. I advise you don't add this. So just write I don't have a bank. Almost done. I'm going to go straight to this place to check payment details. Then we're going to move on to, so just save and let's see what happens. Date of birth, you can pick date of birth, so that's not difficult. And so you're up to 18 years. I'm going to put 2001 January on the 1st of January 2001. Then checker's name. Ensure it's this name you have here, this one. So you're going to pick this, or you can type it randomly, gently inside there, and you're going to see select existing address. Just say select existing address and use this address. This is the address you're using. You are good to go. Then we're going straight to the tax information. Very, very important because your account is not complete. So move on straight to complete, say save and continue. It's going to load the tax information. Sometimes this can keep on loading. If yours is loading and refuse to load, all you're going to do is patiently leave this for 30 minutes. Yes, patiently leave this for 30 minutes. Sometimes it can load and will never leave here for an hour. Just minimize and keep this. This is the new challenge we are facing on Amazon. Yes, the new challenge we're facing. So just patiently wait and it's going to load. Sometimes it can just stay there, it's not coming up. But thank God I have this loaded. Kudos. So let's just move on to the next place. We're going to come here straight and you can see, are you a citizen? Say no, you're not a citizen of America. So you're going to move down. Are you acting? Just put no, you're not acting. Then we have country of what? Citizenship. Over here, we're going to change to what? South Africa. Very important. So at this tax, we're using South Africa. Then permanent address, you're going to come here and put South what? Africa. Then you're going to come here now and at your address, you know South Africa address is different. We're going to come and here and say South African address. It's so simple. There's going to come up, you can see random address in what? Africa. So it's going to load. When it loads, we're going to put on the stuff and we are good to go. All right. So now we have this. Now the next thing we want to do is check your street, check your city, check your province and all this. So we have the street and this. So let's come here and see what they ask. They say address number 1. So we're going to start with this street. This is the first address here. So we're going to pick that. Anyone you use, it's cool. So we're going to put that there. Then second address, we don't want that. So at the city, we're going to come straight to the city. Here we have Phoenix. So at the Phoenix, we're going to pick that Phoenix, or if it's called Phoenix, I don't know, but I'm going to put that at the city. So let's put this here. Then at the state and the province, we're going to come here, state. You can see state, we have this. We're going to pick this. Then we're going to put it inside this place. We're going to put this number. Then the postal code. Come here to the postal code and you go to go. So we have the zip code is the same thing as the postal code, if I'm not mistaken. All right, you can see phone number there in case they ask. You can just put this one. Then same as permanent address, you can leave that. Then we move on to the next place. It says South African identification number. So what I'm going to do is type in, very simple, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1. That's what we're going to use. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then click on continue. Let's see what happens. So move that, you can see the selected country qualifies. Ensure you use the same thing I use here so that you don't face. Click on confirm. Then the reason we are doing this is so that they can remove the tax, because this is how it works. If you make money from Amazon KDP, there are two ways. There's the 70% and there is this 40%. The Kindle version, the one they will read, when someone buy a book like ebook, don't want to print it, you have 70%. Amazon will take 30%. But if they will print it to read like a book, you have 40%. Amazon will take 60%. Just watch how Amazon payment method works on my platform, on my channel, and you are good to go as well. So, but the reason why I'm removing this is even after they have removed that one, when the money comes to your bank, Amazon will still remove another 30%. You are left with almost nothing. So we're going to come here and say save and preview. So over here we are moving on to the next phase. If you keep on rolling like a coaster roller, we just have to be patient till this is done. I believe this is working super good today. Sometimes this can take time. Ensure you have a good connections, ensure you have a good browser, and you are almost good to go. So we spending good quality time getting this all ready without meeting time. You can see the TIN appear invalid. I don't know why I said it appear invalid, but I'll sort that immediately and tell you what happened. All right, so I believe this is not complete. It should be up to this amount. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. They're all 12. So I'm going to click on confirm and that should solve that immediately without wasting much time. All right, so it's going to just load and give us what we want, take us to the next phase where we have to sign and accept this. Yes. So I believe this is almost done. We've added the tax without payment method. I'm doing this because of people whose books are getting blocked, try to create a new KDP account, telling me how do I do it without adding payment method and all kind of stuffs. So we almost at it. All right, still trying to tell me it appear invalid. I don't know why. All right, it's my fault. I should put 0 here. I don't know what's wrong with me. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 as well. So we're going to click on send and preview again. If it give us any throwback error, I believe it's not going to give us any throwback error. So start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2, and you should move on to the next phase because it seems almost a good response is coming. But if you fire back as trying to tell me you're having difficulty, then I'll sort that. So while I wait for that, if you're new to Amazon and you want, oh, why am I facing this kind of challenge? All right. What I did was try to change country of citizenship. Let's see if we can pass through this. If it's still giving us some kind of challenges, then we just have to find a better way to go out of this. But this is the last phase of it. If yours has worked, congratulations. If you're still facing this challenge I'm facing, then there's a better way around this, which I think we all will pass through in no time soon. But if you see throwback error, maybe then we just keep a pause to this video and just publish it. Then I'll put at the comment section how I fix this, because we've gotten too far to this. All right, we're still facing this challenge. Don't know why, but I think we'll get past this in no time. All right, what I did now again is to come to South African TIN and write I don't have this. Let's see South African number. Let's just try to clear this, or let's put that 0123456789012, and let's see what happened. Then we move on to, let's see what happened here. I have a non-this. Okay, no, we're not using this. Not using this. Let's click on continue. Let's see what happened. It says the selected country is okay, let's see on this and see what happened. If it's giving us challenge, then I don't know what to do, but I know there's always a way out. At the comment section, if you're fixing this, if yours has been fixed, drop it at the comment section, because sometimes network can be very frustrating. You won't even know it's your network that's killing you or that's making everything look very, very stupid. Still taking us to that place. Oh,